Imagine a home that uses the Earth's natural resources to stay warm in winter and cool in summer. A residence that stands as a testament to man's ingenuity, harnessing the very elements of nature to provide a sustainable and comfortable living environment. Welcome to the world of sustainable Earth homes. These homes, often referred to as earth-sheltered or eco-friendly homes, are a compelling solution to the growing concerns of climate change and energy consumption. They encapsulate the essence of sustainability, from their construction to their day-to-day operation. So what makes an Earth home unique? It's all about the design and the materials used. These homes are built using natural or recycled materials such as earth, stone, or reclaimed wood. The result is a home that not only blends seamlessly with its surroundings, but is also highly energy efficient. Now let's talk about energy efficiency. Traditional homes rely heavily on external sources of energy for heating and cooling. But an Earth home works differently. It leverages the thermal mass of the Earth to maintain a steady indoor temperature, drastically reducing the need for artificial heating or cooling. But the benefits of an Earth home extend beyond energy efficiency. Building with natural materials can significantly cut construction costs. Plus, by reducing your reliance on non-renewable energy sources, you're contributing to a healthier planet. Moreover, Earth homes are not just about functionality, they're about aesthetics too. These homes embody a unique architectural style that celebrates the beauty of natural materials and the artistry of handcrafted construction. Living in an Earth home is not just a lifestyle choice, it's a statement of respect for our environment. Intrigued? Let's delve into the fascinating process of constructing an Earth home. Over the course of this video, we'll guide you through every step of the process, from choosing the right location to adding those final finishing touches. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just someone interested in sustainable living, there's something here for everyone. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's get started. Location, location, location. It's not just a mantra for realtors. When planning your sustainable Earth home, the site selection is a pivotal step. It's about more than just a picturesque view or proximity to amenities. It's about harnessing the power of the environment to work in harmony with your home. Let's talk climate. The climate can influence not only the comfort of your home, but also its energy efficiency. For example, a colder climate might call for a south-facing house to maximize sunlight exposure for natural warmth. On the other hand, in a hot climate, you'd want to minimize sun exposure to keep your home cool. Next, consider the soil type. The beauty of Earth homes is their ability to make use of the natural resources available. The soil beneath our feet is a prime example. Some soils are better suited for Earth home construction than others. Clay, for instance, is a fantastic insulator and can be ideal for building. Sandy soil, less so. But don't worry if your dream location doesn't have the perfect soil, there are always solutions and alternatives. Terrain is another key factor. A flat surface might seem like the obvious choice, but sloping terrains can offer unique advantages. They allow for a design that integrates the home into the landscape, providing additional insulation and even creating space for a walkout basement. And let's not forget about water. You'll need a reliable water source, but you'll also want to consider drainage and flood risks. You don't want your Earth home to become an Earth submarine. Last but not least, consider local building codes and regulations. They can influence where you can build and what type of Earth home design is allowable. So remember, think climate, soil, terrain, water, and regulations. These factors may seem daunting, but they're essential considerations that can shape your Earth home into a sustainable, efficient, and comfortable space. With the right location, you're one step closer to your sustainable home. Now that we've found the perfect spot, it's time to design your dream Earth home. Imagine the sun rising, casting a warm glow through your windows, naturally heating your home. This is the magic of proper orientation. A well-oriented Earth home takes full advantage of natural light and heat. Positioning your home to face the sun's path can maximize solar gain during winter and minimize it during summer. But it's not just about the sun. Consider the prevailing wind patterns too. They can provide a natural cooling system for your home during the hotter months. Now let's talk about the room layout. The rule of thumb here is functionality and efficiency. Think about how you move through your house. The spaces you use most often, like the kitchen and living room, should be centrally located. Bedrooms, on the other hand, can be tucked away for privacy. And remember, Earth homes are all about connecting with nature. So try to incorporate outdoor spaces into your design, like a patio or a garden. And speaking of nature, let's not forget about integrating with the surrounding environment. Your earth home should blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Use the contours of the land to your advantage. A sloping site, for example, can allow for a walkout basement or an underground garage. The materials you use should also reflect the environment. Local, sustainable materials not only reduce your carbon footprint, but also help your home blend with the landscape. And here's a pro tip: include thermal mass in your design. Materials like stone, brick, or concrete absorb heat during the day and release it at night, helping to regulate your home's temperature. These are just a few considerations, but they can make a world of difference in the comfort, efficiency, and aesthetics of your earth home. The design phase is your chance to customize your home to your lifestyle and the unique characteristics of your site. A well-planned design is the blueprint to a successful earth home. Building an earth home doesn't require cutting-edge technology or expensive materials. Now that's a relief, isn't it? In this journey to create a sustainable abode, we're going to lean heavily on Mother Nature's provisions. The materials we need are simple, affordable, and most importantly, they're sustainable. We're talking about clay, sand, and straw. Yes, you heard that right. These are the primary materials we'll be using to construct our earth home. Clay is an incredible natural resource. It's abundant in most areas, and it possesses excellent binding properties. When mixed with other materials, clay is what helps hold our home together. Next on our list is sand. Sand acts as an aggregate to add volume and stability to our building material. It's available in abundance and is often sourced locally, reducing the carbon footprint associated with transporting materials. Finally, we have straw. Straw is a renewable resource that acts as an insulator, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It's light, easy to handle, and it's biodegradable, meaning it's not going to linger in a landfill for centuries if you decide to remodel down the line. These materials might seem basic, but they're incredibly versatile. They can be used to construct walls, floors, and even roofs of earth homes. And the best part? They're all around us. They're in our fields, beneath our feet, and in our local communities. Remember, the goal here is sustainability. We're looking to minimize our impact on the environment while maximizing the comfort and functionality of our home. By choosing materials that are locally available, we reduce the need for transportation and the pollution that comes with it. Building with earth isn't just about creating a home. It's about building responsibly, with respect for our planet and its resources. It's about crafting a space that's not just inhabitable, but sustainable and energy efficient. So it's time to roll up those sleeves and get your hands dirty. Gather your clay, your sand, your straw. Gathered your materials? Let's get building. Now comes the fun part, building your earth home. This is where your creativity truly comes into play, where each brick you lay and wall you erect brings you one step closer to realizing your dream. First, let's discuss rammed earth. This is an ancient technique that involves compacting damp earth into a wooden frame. The mixture typically contains about 75% sand, 25% clay, and a small amount of cement to add strength. Once the earth is in the frame, it's rammed down using a pneumatic tamper until it's as hard as concrete. The frame is then removed, leaving behind a solid, durable wall. It's a labor-intensive process, but the result is a beautiful natural wall that's thermally efficient and fire-resistant. Next, we have cob, another age-old method of building with earth. Cob is a mixture of clay, sand, straw, and water. The beauty of cob is its flexibility. You can shape it by hand into virtually any form, giving you the freedom to create unique, organic shapes. To build a cob wall, you simply lay down a layer of cob, let it dry a bit, then add another layer. Repeat this process until your wall reaches the desired height. Cob is a wonderful material for those who want to express their artistic side while building their home. Then there's earth bag construction. This is a relatively new technique that involves filling bags with earth and stacking them to form walls. The bags are usually made of polypropylene, a strong, durable material that can withstand the elements. Once a layer of bags is laid down, it's covered with a layer of barbed wire to keep the bags from shifting. Then another layer of bags is added on top, and so on. Earth bag construction is a simple, inexpensive way to build a solid, energy-efficient home. Now, regardless of the method you choose, there are a few universal steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll need to lay a solid foundation. This usually involves digging a trench, filling it with gravel, and then pouring a concrete slab. Next, you'll build your walls. This is where you'll use your chosen technique, whether it's rammed earth, cob, or earth bag. Remember to leave space for doors and windows as you go. Once your walls are up, it's time to construct the roof. This can be a traditional peaked roof, a flat roof, or even a living roof covered in plants. The choice is yours. Don't forget about insulation. Even though earth homes are naturally insulating, additional insulation can help keep your home comfortable year-round. This might involve adding a layer of straw, wool, or recycled newspaper inside your walls. Lastly, you'll add your finishing touches. This includes installing doors and windows, applying a natural plaster to your walls, and adding any other personal touches to make your house a home. Building an earth home is a journey. It's a process that requires patience, dedication, and a lot of hard work. But every drop of sweat and every moment spent is worth it when you see your dream come to life. Remember, building an earth home is not just about creating a shelter. It's about creating a space that reflects who you are and what you value. It's about living in harmony with nature and reducing your impact on the environment. And most importantly, it's about building a home that's uniquely yours. With patience and perseverance, your earth home begins to take shape. And what a beautiful shape it will be. The walls are up, the roof is on. Now it's time for the finishing touches. Every masterpiece needs a final brushstroke, and your sustainable earth home is no different. Let's start with the walls. Natural plasters and paints are the way to go. They're made from earth, sand, and lime, which are not only eco-friendly, but also help to regulate indoor humidity and temperature. It's a win-win situation. When applying your plaster, aim for a smooth, even finish. This might take a bit of practice, but don't worry, perfection isn't the goal here. Remember, we're working with natural materials, so a little bit of texture can add a wonderful organic feel to your rooms. Once the plaster is dry, it's time to paint. Opt for earth pigments to keep things natural. Reds, yellows, browns, and whites are all achievable and can create a warm, inviting feel. Moving on to the appliances. It's important to choose energy-efficient models to maintain the sustainability of your home. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label. These are designed to use less electricity and water, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money in the long run. From your refrigerator to your washing machine, every little bit helps. And lastly, let's not forget the outside of your home. Landscaping plays a crucial role in the overall aesthetic and functionality of your earth home. Consider planting native trees and plants that are well suited to your local climate. They require less maintenance and can provide shade in the summer and wind protection in the winter. Plus, they'll attract local wildlife, bringing your home even closer to nature. It's been a journey, but every step, every decision, every moment of hard work has brought us to this point. Look around you. What was once just a dream is now a living, breathing testament to your commitment to sustainability. And voila, your sustainable earth home is complete. Building an earth home is more than a construction project. It's a commitment to a sustainable lifestyle. We've journeyed together from selecting the perfect location, crafting a unique design, gathering natural materials, to constructing and adding the finishing touches to your dream earth home. This isn't just about creating a shelter. It's about forming a bond with Mother Nature and contributing to a greener planet. The benefits of an earth home are immense. It's energy efficient, cost-effective, and a testament to your commitment to sustainable living. It's a home that breathes with you, a home that grows with you. This journey may seem intricate, but remember, every great endeavor starts with a single step. And with each step, you are not just building a home, but also nurturing a healthier planet. Enjoyed this journey? Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on sustainable living. Together, we can build a greener future.